Can't say we didn't try. Right? That was worse than the Chimecho. At least I ran from the Chimecho. What's up, Garden Gang? It's me, Gardener S, bringing you another episode of the Pokemon Emerald Randomizer Nuzlocke series. And we are here at the Lava Ridge Gym. We have just swept through the rest of the gym, and we are now at Flannery. And, of course, we got to do ourselves a team recap. We got Tranquility the Gardevoir with Psychic Confusion, Calm Mind, and Teleport. Nikki the Charmeleon with Scratch, Eruption, Ember, and Smokescreen. McChicken the Combustion with Scratch, Double Kick, Peck, and Ember. Beauty the Beedrill, Fury Cutter, Fury Attack, Focus Energy, and Twin Needle. Azrael the Quagsire with Tail Whip, Water Gun, and Slam. And we picked this thing up in the last episode too. Yes, I did say this thing because we don't know what it is yet. We got this from the nice couple outside of the gym, out at the hot spring. And I think if it doesn't hatch by the end of this episode, we'll go ahead and do a egg hatching montage for the start of the next episode. You know, try to get it to hatch and everything. And we'll start off the next episode with the egg hatching. Ooh, Atropius. Mad respect, Flannery. Mad respect. Atropius is a really nice grass type. Confusion. Goodbye. A Shuckle. Ooh, I think Tranquility is going to be my best bet. Yeah, I think Tranquility is my best bet. Go ahead and Psychic it. Safeguard. I think that prevents crits. No, it's Lucky Chance that prevents crits. Safeguard prevents statuses. A Silcoon to finish us off. Okay. Let's go ahead and make Chicken. Oh, she's got another mon after this. Okay. She must be going with the Silcoon then because it was a bug type and I had a psychic type out there. Though that's all it knows right there. Bye, Silcoon. And what? Of course, you had to save the power for the end. By power, I mean the whip that's weak to a mental attack. Like this. Oh, I thought that would have killed. That does some damage, but I'm not scared because she's locked into Thresh, so she can't heal, and she is dead. Well, that's another gym badge. Yeah, I know you're a new gym leader, but I had to beat you there. I had to beat you down. I need the badge. And let's go ahead and whop that right onto the layout. Got ourselves the Heat badge now. Pokemon up to level 50, and we can use Strength outside of battle now. Do I have Strength yet? Oh, I also got Spike Cannon, but do I have Strength yet? No, I do not. I don't have Strength. I'll have to look up where to get Strength, because I don't remember. Oh, hey, May. What do we got there? Oh yeah, that's right. Now I can access the desert. You know what this means, guys. You know what this means? That's 2 new encounters. I now have 2 new encounters I can do. Because I could get the fossil, and I can get a desert encounter. Let's just hope I don't pull a jagged pass encounter. Oh, yeah. Let's talk about this for a bit. Let's just keep talking. Oh, hey, an Espeon. Talk. Oh, wait. Oh, no, that was my encounter. Yeah, I hope I don't do that again. Alright, Route 111. Oh, what? It's not here. It's not here. Alright, what do we got? No, guys, this is going to be tough, because I can't damage it because of the Sandstorm. But Dratini's catch rate is so low. I guess I'll just start with a Great Ball, see if I can't get it.
A few moments later.
Yep. Well, at least we tried, you guys. Can't say we didn't try. Let's see, we went in there with 20 Great Balls, 2 Timer Balls, and a Premier Ball, and a Repeat Ball. So that's 20 healed, had to heal twice. So, yeah, that's 22. That was 20 attempts at trying to catch that. Can't say we didn't try, right? That was worse than the Chimecho. At least I ran from the Chimecho. Another freaking berry. Alright, you know what? I don't feel like exploring the desert right now. No, I'll hold off on that route until after. Oh, I don't have Peekaboo with me anymore. Do I have someone else that can learn Rock Smash? Actually, if I do, I hope it's McChicken, because that'd be stab. Yes! Alright, let's go ahead and get rid of Scratch. There you go. Yep. Alright, now we head over this way. I thought about, wait, do I have the bike? I don't remember if I have the bike or not. Yes, I do. Come on. I don't think I did this stuff yet. So, I know I've got the encounter here, because I got, what was it? I think that's where I got Peekaboo from. Yep, this is where I got Peekaboo from. Right, because I encountered a Suicune right after. But I don't think I came over here and got this stuff yet. Because, right there. Netball. Then I talk to this guy. He walks away. I don't know where he goes from here, though. I know that's traditionally black glasses. 2 balls good for catching water types. Makes sense, considering we're at a cave where there seems to be a lot of water types in this randomizer. I could have had a dome. That's poopy. Yep, I didn't come up this way. Which means I did not break the rock up here. Alright, because that's where you get strength from. See, now stuff's clicking for me. Oh look, it's a Dylan. It's a United Haze. Sorry, dude. A Mightyana. I can handle this one easy. Let's go for Fury Cutter. I thought that would have done more. I knew it wasn't going to kill, but I thought it would have done more. A mother freaking Miltank. Flashbacks. Flashbacks to Whitney. Let's go with double kick. Lower my attack, it don't matter, you're still dead. Goodbye. It's a lot easier to kill a Miltank when you have a mon that's super effective and a higher level. Sand attack? No, you can't learn sand attack. Let's get this item first. Oh, King's Rock. That'll be great if I get a Poliwhirl or a Slowpoke. Hi, baby Jumpluff. And there's Strength, which I will need for Victory Road once I get there. But until then, yeah, you give me a repeat ball, don't you? Yep, repeat ball. Which has a higher chance of catching mons I already have. But it doesn't help me with catching mons I don't have. Right, I don't have Rocky, so I gotta do it this way. Sableye. Sableye would be a really neat mon to have right now. No weaknesses. Which, with Sableye and Spiritomb, is why I believe they made Fairy super effective against Dark types. Because let's face it, Sableye and Spiritomb, the two mons with no weaknesses, were just overpowered, and everybody wanted them. Heidelberg City. I can get a new encounter here because I got the fishing rod. I don't think I came back here and fished at all. Nope. So I can either get my encounter here now. I mean, obviously after I buy balls and stuff, but or I can wait until after the gym when I can get surf. But I'm still gonna buy some balls right now anyway. Actually, no, let's go ahead and do another 20. Well, let's go ahead and sell some stuff now. Sell that, because that's some solid money. No, I want to keep those for now. Sell that. Sell that. Sell that. Sell that. Sell that. And let's go ahead and buy some super potions. Some 30 of them. Although I probably won't need 30 of them. Come on. Wait, what am I doing? I already healed. Oh wait, I was gonna go put items away. Gonna go store like the evolution items and stuff like that. Not someone's PC. Gardener's PC. Item storage, deposit item. King's Rock. Metal Coat, Sunstone, Moonstone. Deep Sea Scale. Firestone. I'll obviously start that just because I can't sell it. Which I believe is utter baloney that you can't sell that. Let's go ahead and store that for now. Alright, let's go ahead and call it like that. Alright, go back into the bag real quick. Move that up to the top. Yes, I'm rearranging my items. I know not a lot of people do this. And that right there is why, because it's annoying to listen to. But you know what? I want my items the way I like them organized. And this isn't a versus, so I'm not going to worry about it. Alright. You know what? I think I'm going to cut this episode a little short today. And I will take on the entire Petalburg gym in the next episode. Yeah, I think that sounds like a good idea to me. This way I don't cover 2 gyms in one episode, and I don't end up, oh crap, what's the word I'm looking for? Anyway, so that way I don't seem like I'm speeding through this too quickly, I guess. Anyway, y'all, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and hit the subscribe button. And if you haven't already, hit that bell for notifications. And guys, we got the egg hatching now. Let's go ahead and see what we got from this egg. Kind of took a little bit, almost 8 minutes of fast forward. We got a tubbo. We got ourselves a tubbo, guys. Can't say we didn't try, right? That was worse than the Chimecho. At least I ran from the Chimecho.